Hello everyone, here in this session we are going to discuss about types of research, and it is our fourth lecture of research methodologies. I hope the previous three lectures you have watched it and got the tremendous idea about the research and objectives of research and the motivation behind doing any research. Here we are going to discuss types of research, and it is very important topic as you can get many important questions under research methodologies from this topic, that is types of research. The first one is descriptive research. So basically descriptive research is kind of ex post facto research. It means that so much factual information should be there that can be gathered via different methods, that may be via surveys, right? It is also using fact finding inquiries and comparative studies and correlational methods. So basically descriptive research contains so many description about the given topic of the domain, and it contains lots of data, or we can say that lots of information, and based on that information that is gathered, some facts can be find out, right? And some comparison can be find out, and we can relate using any correlational methods the relations between the data sets, right? So such kind of research completely contain the description part is called as descriptive research. The second one is analytical research. So basically analytical research uses facts, information, data, and materials existing thus far and analyze them and evaluate the results. So basically, analytical research will use the facts, information, data, and materials that exist, and we have to analyze based on the present facts and information, right? So to analyze the given information, the given fact, the given data, and given material which is already in existence are called as kind of analytical research, because analytical reasoning will be there, and to analyze the lots of information will be under this kind of research. Third one is applied research. So basically applied research is action research. Here, the solution is required immediately for the problem facing by society, company, organization, or industry. And solution for current practical problem is seen under the applied research. So wherever the immediate solution required, at that time the research methodology will be used is called as applied research, right? The next one is fundamental research. So fundamental research is also called as pure research or basic research. And fundamental research contains generalization of finding information and formulating theory. Based on the information, we have to formulate the theory, and what can be the theory, what can be the formulating theory would be. So basically, we need to generalize the basic research based on the information will be under the fundamental research, right? Thereafter, we are having quantitative research, and quantitative research is expressing the things in terms of measurements or in terms of quantity or amount, such kind of things, such kind of research which is expressing the things in terms of measurements, maybe in the terms of volume, maybe in the terms of money, maybe in terms of time or quantity or amount, is called as quantitative research based on the domain of the topic, right? Now, the next one is qualitative research, and in qualitative research, focus will be on the expressing the things in qualitative phenomena. That is, ways of exploring motives and desires, interviews and opinions, so that we can ask for any celebrity to come, and we are going to ask so many questions, and based on that questions, we are very much inquisitive about some important questions that that particular celebrity or person will give the answer. So such kind of research is under qualitative. It might be opinion research from the group of peoples, or it might be interviews kind of things, or exploring the motives and desires. We may ask a set of questions from particular person to know his intention or his motive regarding the things, right? So such kind of research is under qualitative research. And the next one is conceptual research. So research which is conducted by observing and analyzing already present information on any present topic that is under conceptual research. So basically, conducted by observing and analyzing already present information on any present topic, already is called as conceptual research. Research doesn't involve conducting any practical experiment, and this kind of results related to abstract concepts or ideas, right? So this is kind of conceptual research which is conducted by observing and analyzing already present information, right? And do not, it is not involved in any kind of practical experiments, but such kind of research is related to abstract concepts or ideas, right? So I hope the types of research are very much clear to everyone. Let me try to revise it. The first one is descriptive, analytical, and then applied, and then fundamental, and then quantitative, and then qualitative, and then conceptual. I hope all such kind of research is clear. Further, if you are having knowledge of any particular type of research, you can put it in the comment section, and we are eagerly waiting for your opinion. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.